Hosali is a very athletic robot. Every morning he takes a 1-hour stroll to Supra City, a great city with crystal houses. But this time he tripped on a street crystal and fell face flat on the ground. His front plate is drooping and his screws are all over the place. He starts to cry, but luckily Mrs. Noblegas happens to be buying red cabbage juice from Supra City. She says to the poor robot, "No worries, my friend. Do you happen to grow potatoes in your yard?" Hosali thinks, has Mrs. Noblegas lost her mind? What in the world could she be talking about? We seriously need to figure out this potato thing. I mean, we should glue something with a potato, right? Of course, we can start by gluing paper. But hey, first, let's start by observing the two potatoes. Home scientist, work with us. First, smell both of the potatoes. How do they smell? Now do some sensory observations. How do they feel? Do they feel the same? What do you think, scientists and research assistants? Yes? No? Split the raw and the boiled potato in two. You can follow us, home scientists, but be careful. You need your research assistant here. Take one piece of newspaper and rub the raw potato onto it like glue. Now put it on one side of the paper. Are you with us, home scientists? Now turn the paper upside down and see what happens. Wait, okay. 3, 2, 1, now! That didn't work. Okay. Maybe Miss Noblegas meant that the potato should be boiled? Well, let's try the same with the boiled potato. Home scientist, glue the paper carefully. Don't crush the soft boiled potato when you rub it onto the paper. Your research assistant can help you if you need it. Okay, nice, we're ready. Home scientists, are you with us? 3, 2, 1, now! Wow! So Mrs. Noblegas isn't a weirdo after all. Did you succeed at home? Well done. See you at the next experiment.